Well, there was probably a bit of buy on the rumour, sell on the fact about it, but there was manifest disappointment today in Telstra's non-event results. And that was one of the key reasons the All Ordinaries Index eased 0.2%. Sims Group was absolutely slammed after coming out with a disappointing profit result, and One Steel lost nearly as much after its New Zealand subsidiary reported a 24% drop in profit. BHP Billiton continued to lose ground after yesterday's results. And as you can see from the chart, investors have been going to Rio instead. Rio Tinto, that is. BHP is up 8% this year, which isn't too shabby, but Rio is up 19%. But how the stock will fare tomorrow is another matter. A short time ago, the company announced a 60% drop in profit after taking a $9 billion write-down on its aluminium assets. Here's what happened on global markets today. Not very much. Small moves, both up and down. On commodity markets, precious metals were down 1% and more. Oil was up a bit, copper more than 1%. The dollar is down a little bit compared to this time last night, but it's still above 108 US cents and 81 euro cents. But rises against the yen and the pound left it 1 point higher on the trade-weighted index. Finally, a postscript on interest rates, or perhaps a prelude to the decisions by the banks, starting tomorrow with ANZ. AMP has produced a chart of home mortgage rates and the small business overdraft rate against the Reserve Bank cash rate. 12 years ago, the gap between the cash rate and the small business rate was 3.5%. Now it's 6.75%. The margin for housing mortgages is up from 2 to 3%, but that increase for small business is enormous. And that's finance.